Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. And if you've ever had trouble signing a PDF document, you're not alone. Sometimes you have to download a third-party app. Sometimes there's shareware. Sometimes you have to upgrade to actually sign. But the new Chromium, newer Microsoft Edge has it included. So go ahead and open your Microsoft Edge. I'm on Windows 11. It should be on your desktop. It should be on your Start menu. It should be by default on your taskbar, but worst case, Start. You can find it under All Apps if you've gotten rid of the links to it. There you go. So it should still be there. All right, so what we need is a PDF. So maybe Google sample PDF. The same website's been coming up for years, this right here. So I usually just use that by default. Right click, and you can save it, or you can come over here and do save right here. And I'll save it in my download folder. I already have one there. I'll put it in desktop. There we go. Alright, so we're ready to rock. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to press Control O. That is Control, stands for open. Find your PDF and go ahead and open it up. And there you go. Now, you're looking for Draw right here. Once you click on it, notice that it highlights. See how it's blue now? If I uncheck it to do something else, it's not active. So let's make it active by clicking Draw. Now click the arrow down button, choose a color. Whatever you want. I'll leave the default black. As you can see, your thickness, depending on the PDF you're signing. You want to try and get it close to where it fits. And then just click anywhere to close that out. And then come in here. Hold your left mouse button down. And watch how poorly you draw with a mouse. Sort of like when you go to the store and you sign your name for your credit card or your debit card, and it never looks like your signature. Ooh, there we go. All set. Now, what we can do is, once again, come over here. You have Save As and you have Save. Save will save it right where it's at. Save As will let you decide where to save it. So you just go ahead and do that. And you have signed the document. There you go. Pretty easy, right? So that's pretty neat since Microsoft Edge is included. Saves you a lot of trouble hunting around. Hopefully it helped you out. Appreciate you watching as always. See ya.